When you enter your confidential data, for example your username and password, in an e-store using your keyboard, there is a risk that this personal information can be intercepted by hardware keyboard interceptors or keyloggers. Kaspersky Internet Security 2014 features secure data input that prevents interception of your confidential data. To configure secure data input, click the Settings link in the main application window. In the Settings window, click Additional. Secure data input includes Virtual Keyboard and Secure Keyboard Input. Virtual Keyboard can be used for protecting data entered on websites. By default, the Virtual Keyboard is launched by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-P. If you do not want to open the Virtual Keyboard using the key combination, clear the Open Virtual Keyboard by typing Ctrl-Alt-Shift-P checkbox. You can configure Quick Launch of the Virtual Keyboard. After that, the Virtual Keyboard Quick Launch icon will be displayed next to the confidential data entry fields on websites of certain categories, for example, social networks. To do this, in the Secure Data Input Settings window, check the Show Quick Launch icon in Data Entry Fields box and click the Edit Categories link. Select the required categories of websites, for example, social networks. Click Back. After that, a Virtual Keyboard icon will appear next to the fields used for entering a username and password in social networks. Secure data input from your regular keyboard provides additional protection of data on websites. By default, Secure Keyboard Input is enabled for online banking and payment systems, as well as for entering passwords on all websites. To configure Secure Keyboard Input, in the Secure Data Input Settings window, check the Enable Secure Keyboard Input box and click the Edit Categories link. Select the required categories of websites, for example, social networks. After that, the username and password you enter in social networks will be additionally protected. For correct operation of Secure Data Input tool, the Virtual Keyboard plugin should be installed in your browser.